Hi, I'm Jabra. In this section, I will show you what Swift called the standard string of double quotes. In case you wanted multi-line, you needed multi-line. But slightly what you're gonna do, you're gonna use a double quote. And as you can see here, I'm writing the multi-line string, and we're gonna say bar. Sorry, I wanted to say bar line 1 equal line 1 equal followed by three double quotes. And now Swift basically know that you are creating a multi-line string and say this goes over multiple lines and then ends by three quotes and ended by three quotes. And now Swift basically know that this is a multi-line string. If we run this code in the preview of the playground, you can see in the preview of the playground we have this goes line wrapped in between two backslashes. And how can we avoid these two backslashes in us? For that, we're gonna have to declare another variable line 2, but followed by also by the three quotes, and then you can then directly between the phrases and you can put the backslash between them. And when you put the backslash, basically Swift know that this is a multi-line code, and actually it should be separated. And directly when you run this on the preview, you can see a fresh a cool, fresh written string. And this is all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, or if the video being rendering for you, make sure you subscribe, because I will come with others. This video is just for beginners and not for average. Thank you for watching. Peace, Jabra.